Introducing the Dirt Devil Broom Vac Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner, a game changer in the world of cleaning technology. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with traditional brooms that just push dirt around or cumbersome vacuums that are a pain to maneuver, then it's time to upgrade to the Dirt Devil Broom Vac. This innovative cordless cleaner combines the convenience of a broom with the power of a vacuum, making cleaning a breeze wherever the mess may be. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Dirt Devil Broom Vac Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner is the ultimate cleaning solution for your home. Effortless cleaning everywhere you go. The Dirt Devil Broom Vac is designed to make cleaning as easy and convenient as possible. With its cordless design, you have the freedom to clean wherever the mess takes you, without being tethered to a power outlet. Whether you're sweeping up crumbs in the kitchen, tackling pet hair in the living room, or cleaning up spills in the dining room, this versatile cleaner has you covered. Sweep and vacuum with ease. Unlike traditional brooms that require you to bend over and scoop up dirt with a dustpan, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac lets you sweep and vacuum in one easy step. With just the touch of a button, the powerful suction effortlessly sucks up dirt, debris, and pet hair, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between a broom and a vacuum, and hello to seamless cleaning with the Dirt Devil Broom Vac. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, weighing in at just the right amount, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac is lightweight enough to carry around your home, yet powerful enough to tackle tough messes. Its compact size makes it easy to store, whether you hang it on the wall with the included mount or tuck it away in a closet or pantry. Plus, its ergonomic handle and easy maneuverability ensure that cleaning is a breeze, even in tight spaces and hard-to-reach corners. Efficient cleanup every time. Cleaning up has never been easier thanks to the Dirt Devil Broom Vac's one-touch cleanup feature. Simply press a button, and the vacuum effortlessly sucks up dirt and debris, eliminating the need for a dustpan and saving you time and hassle. With its powerful suction and efficient design, this cordless cleaner makes cleaning up a breeze, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. Support a worthy cause, but the Dirt Devil Broom Vac is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a symbol of compassion and care for our furry friends. With every purchase, Dirt Devil proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. By choosing the Dirt Devil Broom Vac, you're not just investing in a quality cleaner, you're also making a difference in the lives of animals in need. The verdict: in a world filled with endless cleaning options, the Dirt Devil Broom Vac Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner stands out as a true game changer. Its innovative design, cordless convenience, and effortless cleanup make it a must-have for any household. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional brooms and vacuums, and hello to quick, easy, and effective cleaning with the Dirt Devil Broom Vac. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.